Hey guys, at Best Apps Technology we have this electric kettle. It has several features such as fast and safe hot water, automatic shut off, convenient power cord storage, modern stainless accents, and much more. This cordless serving feature allows the kettle to lift off the base for easy cordless pouring. The automatic shut off means the kettle will shut itself off when water is hot and ready to use, making it safer than a stovetop kettle. It also has a soft blue LED illumination. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to give you hot boiling water. Come on over to Best Apps Technology today and get yourself an electric kettle.